Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Gemini Man chase you. Start by teasing a fun mystery about your plans, then step back and let him notice. Balance playful texts with real-life spontaneity and curious questions. Keep your life full and interesting, and allow him moments to wonder and pursue. Subtle compliments and varied conversation topics keep his attention, while occasional silence gently encourages him to chase. Start conversations that challenge and delight him, offering fresh angles he hasn't considered. Present interesting facts, stories, or books that invite him to respond and engage. Use light teasing and witty remarks to keep the tone playful and mentally stimulating. Alternate deep topics with joking moments to mirror his quick shifts in attention. Give him space to chase ideas, and he will often follow you to keep the mental connection alive. Be present and warm in person while maintaining boundaries that protect your independence. Send short, intriguing messages that invite a reply rather than long monologues. Plan spontaneous outings, then leave a little mystery about your next move to spark his curiosity. Stay playful and upbeat while signaling that your life is full and balanced. That combination encourages a Gemini man to invest effort and chase with genuine interest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.